In this video, I will discuss about how to do the linear regression without an intercept. Intercept, I already told, it is the term of weight, and somewhere it is written w0 or beta0 or theta0. After that, the coefficient value. Suppose y is equal to suppose x sorry beta 0. After that, it is given a plus, then sorry beta 1 into x1, then plus, then after that maybe there is a number of things. After that it is plus with sorry zeta sun was here. So actually beta 0 here is known as the intercept. So how we will do the linear regression without an intercept? To do these things, let's follow this procedure. It is very simple. That make a model. Suppose I'm saving my model with like without intercept. Okay, so lm linear regressions model, it will give after that I'm using car data set. I'm taking the input values like spread as my input values, and my response values I'm taking as like car data set of spread distance, sorry. And when you will not take an intercept, just to give the plus symbol is 0. The last positive with 0 is known as the intercept values will be treated as 0. It is called the without intercept. If you run this model, you will get something. So run this model. If you want to see the summary of the linear regression model, then write the summary and write it down wy. So write down, you will get the things of statistical value of each and everything. For my case, actually I'm running this program, so it is like this. For your cases, you can make it large as you can. Okay, so I call this function. After that I got this thing. So it is the different thing. Actually we'll learn about how to run a program without an intercept. If you give plus 0 at the last, so it will not consider the intercept. So fine. So in the next video I will go through how to building a model with interactions terms. Hope you see in the next video. Have a nice day.